welcome to Tech Help guys. So today I'm going to show you how to remove background photo in Canva. So in my case, I am using my desktop, but actually you can do this in your phone or tablet, iPad or something. The process are all the same. So first, open your Canva application or just search it in your Google Chrome, Canva, and then you got to log in. Next, choose what template you want to use. For example, there are whiteboard, presentation, social media, video, like that. For this example, I'm gonna be choosing presentation. Let it load. On the left side, you can see there are lots of elements like design elements, text, brand, uploads, click uploads. And in here, I already uploaded the photo of a cup. So in your case, upload the file yourself and then just click on it and drag it to the preview. So as you can see, there are still background in it. So on top, you can see BG remover. Just click on that and voila. You already removed the background from your photo. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more quick tips and tutorials.